Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are going to discuss about the basics Linux command. With the help of these command you can easily use your Linux server, whether you are using CentOS or you are using Red Hat. So these command will be very helpful if you are working in the production environment. So please watch this video till the end, and if you are new on this channel, so please do subscribe also. So let's start it. The very first command is ls. Ls, as the name suggests, is list. This is basically used to list any particular, like if you are in particular directory, so it will list all the files available, files in the current working directory. Mention directory also like this. If you want to list content of particular directory, so you can mention the path like this. OPT, let's say I want to list the content of OPT directory, so it will list. So there are multiple options that you can use. ls-a, it will list hidden file also, that you can see. Hidden file is basically started with the dot, and with the ls-ltr. LTR, it will be, let's first, ls-l will means ls list, hyphen l means long listing. So it will list along with set of permissions and the links, along with users group and the size of the file, along with date, and all these details. So if you want to long listing, so you should use ls-l. So there are couple of more ls options you can use, but if I go in deeper, so it will be very long video. So for more detail, you can watch my upcoming videos. So I will mention that also. The next command is pwd. Pwd, like the name, this this is basically stands for print working directory, present working directory. So this will basically will show you. So right now I am in the root directory. Let's say I move in another directory, like let's say slash var. So right now, so let's hit again the same command pwd. So as you can see, now I am in the slash var directory. So in similar way, you can check your current working directory. The next command is mkdir. Mkdir, which stands for make directory. With the help of this command, you can create directories. Let's now I am in the temp directory and I want to create here a directory naming dir1. So I will hit mkdir dir to check again, as I mentioned earlier, use ls. ls-l. L will be long listing. T basically list out, will filter as per the time frame. Latest file you will see on the top of the screen. And if you want to reverse it, so you should use R option. So I am using ls-ltr. So ls-ltr will show me list out the content. The latest file will be at the bottom of the screen. So you can see. So as you can see, this is my latest directory, which I created just dir1. So as you can see, lsi with the help of lsi-ltr, you can check the created file along with set of permissions, set of links, the current user of this directory is root, group is also root, and this is created on 6th of August. So this command is very helpful. With the help of this command, you can create directory. Let's say you want to create two directory at the same time. So you will create mkdir, dir1, dir2, dir space dir3. So list out again the same command ls-ltr. As you can see, now three directory is created. So this is our third command. You should keep note down this because these command will be very helpful. Our fourth command is cd. Cd stands for change directory. This command we already used. So cd is basically used to move from one directory to another directory. Let's say right now I am in the, if I want to check my friend working directory, so I will use p. Right now I am in temp directory. Let's say I want to move in opt directory, so I will use cd/opt. Again check pwd. So right now I am in opt. So with the help of this cd, there are couple of more options you can use with the cd command, but that I will, if you want, so that I will explain in my upcoming video. So next command is rmdir. Rm, as the name suggests, remove directory. mkdir, you can create directory in similar way. With the rmdir, you can delete. Yeah, but there is one important thing you should always keep in mind. This command will only delete an empty directory. If you have any content, then you cannot delete with the help of this command. So try to delete the directory we created earlier. So let's move first in the temp directory. List the created directory. Let's say I want to delete dir2. So I will use rmdir dir2. Now check again. And you can see my dir2 directory has been deleted. In similar way, you can delete, but always keep in mind this command will only delete an empty directory. If you have any content, so you should use rm-rm. But this command is very critical and very dangerous also. So you should use this very carefully. That's why I'm not explaining this command right now. I will explain about this command in my uh, the next command is cp. Cp basically used for copy. Let's say uh, we use content. If we want to copy content from one file, like one folder to another, so we use basically a copy option. In similar in Linux, we use cp command. Let's say I want to copy the content of one file into another file, so I will use cp command. Let's say I want first create the some files in the let's move in the dir one, create one file here, ls. Let's write some content in this file, like name is Amar, and this is Amar tutor channel. If you not subscribe this channel yet, so please subscribe. Let's save it. Okay. Let's say I want to copy this file from temp directory to opt directory. cp space mention the file name, then mention the path where you want to copy. Let's say I want to copy in opt directory and hit enter. So this will copy this file into opt. So let's check the opt. It's similar command that we used earlier, like ls-ltr. As you can see, file1 is present here also. So cp command is very helpful in Linux system. You should, if you will practice, so you will be more creative. So our next command is mb. mb is basically used. Let's say I want to move file from one directory to another, so I will use mb. Let's say I want to move file1 from opt directory to/etc directory. So I will use /etc. Now check in the /etc ls-ltr. As you can see, file1 has been moved here. So this command is also very helpful. Our next command is uname. Uname. Uname is very helpful command to check the information of your system. If you want to check the information of your running server, so system, so you can use this command. There are certain options you can use along with this command, like uname -r. So this will show you the currently running kernel version. And in similar way, if you use -a, so this will list more information as compared to previous, like the host name, kernel name, their architecture, and current terminal. So as you can see, there are a lot of information as compared to previous command. So uname is also a very uh, important command in the Linux system. The next command is touch. Touch is basically create for file. As earlier, we create directory with the help of mkdir. In similar way, you can use touch to create text file. Text file. So let's write I'm in etc. So let's move in temp and create here touch, like our tutor. So file has been created. So as you can see, file has been created. The next command is ln. Ln is also a very important file in Linux system, and you should always remember this command. Ln, there are basically two type of link used in Linux system. The first is hard link and the second is soft link. Guys, if you are a Windows user, so you see like a shortcut on your desktop. So shortcut we basically use to move a particular location. Let's say you have an application and you want to move directly to that particular place from your desktop. So you create particular shortcut for that to save your time, your particular like effort. So in similar way, you can use symlink in Linux. So symlink is just similar like a shortcut. That is an separate topic in Linux system, so that you will not understand. Right now, you only need to know like ln is used to create hard link, and if you want to create symlink, so you use ln playback. Run. Let's say create symlink of my directory. Let's say I want to create a symlink of my tutor. So I will use ln -s merge in slash link. So our symlink has been created, you can see. So this is also a very important command you should always keep in mind. The next command is cat. Command is cat. You can use cat is basically used to see the content of a file, text file. Let's say I want to, after writing the content in particular text file, I want to see the content of file without opening that file. So this command will be very helpful for me. In this case, like cat space mention the file name, which content you want to see. So right now I want to see the content of Amar tuber file. So this will show me. As of now, there is no content available in this file. So let's see the content which we created earlier. So first, the etc. Let's let's see the file one content which we created earlier. So let's use that. Important thing is clear. You can use to clear. So let's say cat space file name here my image file one. So this will show me the content. So as you can see, this is showing the content of my file. My name is Amar and this is Amar Tutor channel. If you not subscribe this channel, add so please subscribe. So in similar way, you can see the content of various text file, but this will only work for the files, not directory. The next command is man. As you know, Linux is basically mostly a command-based system. So if you want to know more about for a particular command, so you can use man command. Let's say I want to see a more detail about ls command. So I will use man ls. So this will show me all the details of ls command like ls, as you can see, list directory content, synonyms, synopsis, description. So there are multiple options. So this is a very helpful command you should always use and you always keep in mind. If you have little knowledge about a particular command, so you can use man space that command. In this way, you can check more information about that command. The next command is grep. As in Windows, we use a filter option basically to filter out some content. If you are a Excel user, MS Excel user, so you probably you know the use of filter. So in similar way, you can use grep to list out to filter out the content. So let me show you. Let's say I want to create ls. Let's say I want to list. I am listing the content of current directory, and I want to list only a file which name is file1. So I will use grab file1. So this will, as you can see, this is only showing me the file1 information. So this grep command is very helpful if you want to filter out any particular content. So these are some of the basic commands, and I will explain some more command in my next video. Till then, keep watching and keep learning. And if you have any particular suggestions, particular doubt about any command, so you can comment me, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.